You got it?
Me and the gals.
Right there again. This is like a booty buster workout. Dude, imagine Cal trying his size. And then he just lets it go for a second. Yeah, that was great.
I have to get Peter Pan.
Absolutely traumatized.
In the middle of like a parade. Let's take a second.
Why are we going down real quick? All the way up? No. I'm just following the instructor. There's no one going that way. Just kidding.
Let's go.
I had gone with Chris. I would have left the big suitcase here.
My backpack one? Why do you think this?
Michael!
Why did you put that on film? Like, the family. Obrigado. Obrigado.
I'm scared.
It takes away this thing.
That was fun.
Oh no, this is just, you just pretend like you.
Oh, yeah. It's just
I don't know how to pretend that it's not
now
there,
that you
man.
pointed it out,
We made it really awkward. Place we should be. It's all a very fun card
It's
game.
really cool, but it's very frustrating.
It's not frustrating.
It is.
I feel like every game Cal teaches us is so frustrating.
Like what?
No, she just put a shelf way too high for herself to reach. It's amazing.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's get a picture of it. It'd be nice. So, this is mine. You got good traps.
He's a big forest guy ever since he got those sunglasses.
Whoa!
They're his big sunglasses he's ever had.
Oh, there's something weird in there. There's something weird in there. There's a fish.
It's a stick. It's a stick. Put a whole foot in.
No. 1 and 8.
3, 2, 1.
7.
Is there even a point fixing it?
No, I'm just trying to get it.
I was wondering how old that skeleton is.
Those ribs look like they're
Anyways,
plastic.
Katie, it was hard to
Oh,
get.
they're recreated. You said this is all real.